students. Today we will learn about the Union Executive. It is the third lesson of your syllabus, Senior Intermediate. Okay, Union Executive are Article 52 to 147, Part 5th of the Constitution. Union government comprises Union Executive, Union Legislature and Union Judiciary. These are the three organs exercise authority and fulfill their obligations with cooperation, coordination and cohesion. Okay, Union Executive. First one, Union Executive. Union Executive provides for the Union Executive. The Constitution of India provides the Article 52 to 78 in Part 5th of the Constitution telling about this Union Executive. The Union Executive consists of the President of India, the Vice President, the Prime Minister, the Union Council of Ministers. Write about Union Executive that like 4 points. 4 points. First one, the President of India, the Vice President, the Prime Minister, the Union Council of Ministers. Okay, now we will learn about that the President of India. It is the 10 marks question in public pattern, most important question. Okay, all of you listen carefully. The President of India, Article 52 telling about that President of India. He is the first citizen of India. He symbolizes the unity, integrity and solidarity of the nation. The President of India, Article 52 telling about that Indian President. Okay, he is the first citizen of India. He symbolizes the unity, integrity and solidarity of the nation. First one, President qualifications. Qualifications, first one, he should be a citizen of India. Who are participated in elections, first their qualification, he should be a citizen of India. Second one, he should have completed the age of 35 years. He should be qualified for election as a member of the Lok Sabha and he should not hold any office of profit under the union or state governments or local authorities or any public authority. Okay, these are the 4 qualifications of the President. Next one, elections. Elections, the President of India shall be elected indirectly by an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both houses of the Union Parliament. The election is held in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of a single transferable vote system and a secret ballot. Okay, next one, term of office. The President's term of office is 5 years from the date of assuming the power. He is eligible for 3 election. He is eligible for 3 election. Impeachment process. Next one, 4th topic, impeachment procedure. Impeachment procedure by 3 main remains vacant 3 ways. By addressing the resignation letter to the Vice President expressing his inability to perform his duties due to ill health. Second way, by his death. Third way, by removal for violation of the Constitution through the process of impeachment. There are 4 stages in the impeachment of the President. Firstly, the impeachment resolution has to be moved within 14 days of prior notice in writing signed by not less than 1/4 of the total members of the House. After such a resolution has to be passed by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the total members of the House. Secondly, the resolution approved by the first House will be sent to the second House for consideration and approval. Thirdly, the second House investigates into the charges directly or constitutes a committee to inquire into the charges. Fourthly, if the charges against the president are accepted 2/3 majority of the total members of the second house. But no president has so far been impeached in our country till today. Next one, salary and allowances. The president now gets a monthly salary 1,50,000. He is provided 22.5 crores every year for meeting the expenses on travel, entertainment, and towards the maintenance of personal and household staff, etc. Okay, he will get a monthly pension 75,000. His official residence is Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. After, besides a furnished rent-free bungalow, telephone, personal staff, etc. After one, next one, sixth one, powers and functions of the president. This is the most important topic. Powers and functions of the president. President has mainly two types of powers. First one, ordinary powers, and second one, emergency powers.